nigo okunengi wa kwaba waziri abachore inse yoburayibwaye Dr. William Samoei Ruto waswa rituko lya kabere ase bungenene chinga kibono egati abawaziri ababa kunengi wa rituko lya rero bairera nara ya berubiriti gochwikirania ase omwananchi chinga kibara chake obokoreri bwabo gati abali ababa kunengi wangamona Aisha Jumwa, Moses Kuria, Joseph Ndungu, Professor Kindiki Githure egati abanda bange na amanke ni gotwariganire n'umurikeito Vincent Onyancha.
Hase rituko lya kabera abawaziri amaleta babwatoko n'umurayibwense William Samoei Ruto nigo baikobosyo webunge. Oyo choro gochikorera ibagaria ye Fred Matiang'i buno muwaziri bw'obulindoime Professor Kithure Kindiki na ikabosye bwa komiti yo erikonyara kounengiwa asate abuna na chekoene kyanko igware birero by'abanyanyimbo.
Some of the reasons are actually beyond the control of the police officers themselves. The poor terms and conditions, the lack of facilitation at the service delivery points. For example, you have over 600 police stations without a penny.
Asabo igamenta buna gotingi obulendi abwatani ba nyumba 10 mbabe bakumbera na limese wiki abwase barachikonyora shilingi 15 kirengaki bakumirana.
With regard to nyumba 10, I am a firm believer that this is a very critical organ, including 500 shillings for 2 meetings a week. That's 1,000 shillings a week. It can even be 2 meetings a month.
Nigo chinga kichumu waziri omochore weni bogose treasury Njuguna Ndung'u azigi kiwabo kongune komiti ye bunge asebaroka na kumwengera.
Sale of the Grand Regency Hotel, and you also face abuse of office charges involving irregular award of a 1.2 billion shilling security tender while serving as central bank governor in 2014.
During a time in CBK, every single mega project that you undertook was dogged by matters of corruption. In the year 2012, the Public Accounts Committee of the National Assembly did indict you. In fact, it barred you from holding public office.
The year 2011, when you were the CBK governor, Professor Ndungu, Parliament investigated you for collusion with commercial banks to weaken the Kenya shilling, which became the worst performing currency in the world.
Nonye na bonjuguna nigegerana gotseba buna niga komochigwa bosa.
Thank you for your fantastic questions. During my time, there is no bank that collapsed. The case of Grand Regency, I think the statement is that I was adversely mentioned. I was an agent of government, and this was a government-to-government sale, and I was the one to negotiate and to receive the payment, which was actually received by the government.
Boigo engana yokwirania CDF gochia sebunge nigo ya motantania.
But I'll be guided by the law, and I will abide by the law, because essentially that is what we do, but I will honor that as per the law demands. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Well guided. Clarification. What did the professor say about CDF? Abiding by the law saying what?
He said they will look at the law, be guided appropriately, and then pay.
What did he say?
That's what he said.
What? Is that not the Mingi? What we say, Speaker? No. Let us not miss the point. Honorable Baya said the truth.
Seek your clarification.
That's what I'm helping. Maybe he left the point. That what was quashed in court is actually a different law, CDF Act. What we have now, Speaker, is not CDF Act. We have National Government Constituency Development Fund. Now we was asked, how quickly are you going to use that to disburse the funds? Kizungu mingi haitasaidia sisi.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV, retirana nchi nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.